Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to capture Chrome on OBS 2024. So let's go to the Chrome first and open the window you want to show. Then go to OBS. Then you have to click on in the sources option, plus icon. Click on plus icon and capture window. Choose this one, capture window. Now you have to write here Chrome. Now click on OK. Now you can see that your Chrome window is showing here. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.